Hey guys, it's Jenny and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys the tips and tricks that I know to make your eyes look a little less close set. Before we begin, if you like these kinds of videos, make sure to subscribe and like this video to show me that you guys appreciate it and that you guys like it and to help a girl out. Without any further ado, let's get on with the video. Okay, so besides me having hooded eyes, I also have close set eyes. So I always notice that when I want to do a smoky eye look or when I want to do a full-on glam look, and if I bring the color a little too into my inner corner, it makes my eyes look way more close set. I look mean, I look mad, I just look like. So I decided to make a video showing you guys the tips and tricks that I know to elongate your eyes and make them look a little less close set. Okay, then let's go on with the first steps. So for this entire look, I'm only going to use one Morphe brush. You can use any type of blending brush. In my case, I'm using a pointed blending brush, only because since I want to be more detailed as to making my eyes look a little less closed set. For this entire look, I'm going to be using Tartalette's Toasted palette. I'll be using the color Latte on my crease and blending that out, and then I'm going to go in my lid with the color Cozy and I'll blend it out as well. And then what's important about this look is that don't go close to your inner corner, because the point is to make your eyes look a little less close set. Okay, so this is the first time I bring you guys so close and personal, and let me just say I feel a little shy. But let's start. Okay, so I'm using Urban Decay's Primer Potion. So going in with the color Latte, I'm going to start in little circular motions, bringing it onto my crease. That's about where I'm stopping. And then, so I'm just going to blend this out. Okay, and I'm just gonna do the same in the other eye. So this is the first time I do a close-up, so let me know if you appreciate the close-up or if you want me to go on farther like I did before, where you could see my entire face. Okay, and then just make sure it's well blended, that there are no harsh edges. Now I'm gonna go in with the color Cozy, dust off the excess. And with the color Cozy, I'm just gonna put it on my lid, stopping about here. I am not going to my inner corner. You guys pretend you are allergic to your inner corner. That is the key. Remember the allergy we talked about, and then just blend it with the crease color. Okay, right now I'm looking a little silly, but I promise it'll all look great in the end. Another trick also is to bring the color to the lower lid, but don't go to the inner corner, okay? We are allergic to that inner corner, okay? Just dust off the excess. Another beauty tip that helps your eyes look a little less close set is eyeliner. A little cat eyeliner not only is it cute and seductive, it also enhances your eyes to look a little less close set. And I'll show you right now. So this is my cat eye. Make sure that it is thin in the inner corner, because remember, we're allergic to that inner corner. This is the only exception. Just make sure that it's a thin line in the inner corner and that you start thickening it out in the outer corner. That way it looks a little less close set. And if you guys want me to do an eyeliner tutorial, make sure to get this video up to 80 likes. I don't know, can we do it? And that way I know that you guys totally want it, and I'll make one. Because I know eyeliner is a little tricky, especially when you're a beginner. And in my channel, I'm all about easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay, so now I'm just gonna finish off my makeup and I'll come back and show you the ending result. Okay, so this is the final look. Just added some mascara and some Baddie B Lashes. When choosing eyelashes, I always make sure that they flare out in the end, or if they're a little wispier at the end or a little thicker, anything that will make you think of like a cat eye moment, because that is the best way to elongate your eyes. So yeah, this concludes today's video. If you guys like this, make sure to like this, and if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and join my fam. And also guys, if you guys want me to make an eyeliner tutorial for hooded eyes and close-set eyes, make sure to bring this video up to 80 likes. I know we could do it. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.